In my exit interview from the first elimination, which they haven't put, like 99.9% of things of my show they haven't put. Like I noticed that the show did with me was that they didn't really build my story and my character and the way I was thinking throughout the show. I knew Purav is a traitor since day 6 and it's nowhere.
Oh my God!
They have not put it in episode 6, they have not put it in episode 7, 8, 9. मैंने कहा चलो finale में डालेंगे. There are people who are seeding this narrative, and maybe some of the bitter contestants that are seeding this narrative.
Which innocent do you think still holds a grudge?
Oh, that's a clickbaity answer you're getting out of me.
Has Bollywood already offered you a movie? Reality show you'd never do.
I don't think I'll do any of them, to be honest. Like, look at them.
I'm sorry to say, the biggest rumor right now is that she's in Bigg Boss. Are you and Apurva friends?
In the end, no. Urfi and I had a chat which was not on camera. That we discussed that
You know, what happened on the show Traitors is a lot like what happens in Bollywood. An outsider comes in और पहले ही episode में उन्हें बाहर कर दिया जाता है. But then because they're talented, they make a comeback and then they go ahead and win. Have you ever thought about your life like this, Nikita?
actually, I have, because
Yeah.
I am constantly been underestimated wherever I've been, because I've chosen fields where people are that are not conventional, and usually people are underestimating women in those fields and all. And I love like putting it right in their face. Ki, see, this is what I'm made of.
Dilli ladki hai Nikita Luther, and she's on Just Too Filmy. She's won the first ever edition of the reality show Traitors, which has captured my need, my chair, and everything. I remember watching the show thinking, whatever. But then when I got into it, I couldn't get out of it. And of course, we had no clue that you were going to go and win. But let me just say, you played a fab game. I'm going to
Thank
take
you.
you back to that time when you were eliminated in the first episode.
Right.
And I felt there was an insane sense of betrayal, because it was just that it's like a coterie, right? Even if they don't know each other, just by virtue of being in the same industry, people tend to protect each
Exactly.
other.
Yeah.
And that's the only reason why I feel you were cast out. What were your thoughts at that time? Were you feeling very betrayed?
Yeah, I mean, there would be no consequences of throwing out the outsider, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
so it was very easy, because she has to face everyone else in her business. And also, like, there was an excuse that she's a poker player, and there's the, you know,
She'll be
it's
too
like a
good.
stand-up. Yeah, it's a stand. She wasn't wrong.
Yeah, that's true.
So, yeah, so I mean, it was quite shocking for me in that moment, because they made it very real. They put me in a different hotel, they returned all my costumes.
Oh my God.
They're like, abhi ticket bhejte hai. I was like, what?
What is going on? This is behind the scenes.
Going on? But Rohini, I'll tell you something. Because I'm a bit of a nerd, I had read the rules and I'm like, this is not according to the rules. But then they convinced me, because they wanted me to feel that rage. They convinced me that, yeah, because the episodes haven't started, we don't have to go according to the rules. It's like, so it was all of that. But also at the same time, in my exit interview from the first elimination, which they haven't put, like 99.9% of things of my show they haven't put, I speak about this, that, you know, I didn't go out according to the rules, and hence it's unfair. So that's what, like, I noticed that the show did with me was that they didn't really build my story and my character and the way I was thinking throughout the show.
Throughout the show. But at the same time, I feel like the surprise was amazing, right? The fact that you came back and then what a comeback, you go ahead to win. It's not like people don't expect you to win. You are a poker player, of course. You would have a strategy, and I think that's what eventually gave you the edge. But I want to take a moment and go outside of the show, because I was very interested in knowing who you are. You know,
Yeah.
before the show, outside the show. So it'll be great if you can just walk us through the fact that you were born in Delhi. Were you? See, I don't know anything. And also the
Okay.
show doesn't give us the opportunity to know you.
Yeah.
So could you tell my audience a little about Nikita?
Okay, so yeah, I was born in Delhi into a military family. My dad was in the Air Force. My mom was, a principal, then went on to becoming a school teacher, basically in the education system. And so very humble beginnings, government service, all of that. And I was very academically inclined, maybe because of my mother's,
Principal
academic,
hai
yeah,
maa, bhai
yeah.
sahab.
So I was always forced to be like at the top of my class, and I did that. Like I whenever I put my mind to something, I get it done. So
That's
that is,
amazing.
yeah. So
And do you have siblings?
yes, I have a younger brother.
Oh, lovely,
He's 6 years
lovely.
younger to me. Yeah, so I was the topper of my school in class 12 CBSE boards. And then I went on to college where a tragedy befell my family, which I don't want to get into, but
Sure.
something really traumatic happened to the entire family. And it was to do with my mother's sickness. And at that time, while taking care of her, I discovered poker, and
Yeah.
I discovered it online. And I wasn't playing for money or anything. It was just like,
To keep your mind occupied.
exactly.
Of course, yeah.
So it was a distraction, and I was playing on Facebook against my friends. So my entire rush was that, okay, I'm beating this one, I'm beating this one, because they were all my friends, and then I would message them and say, "Dekha,
Of
I
course.
beat you, and I'm more chips than you, I have a better score than you." And then slowly, steadily, I started learning the game. I realized it's not a game of, chance.
Luck. Yeah, it's
it
not
is-
about luck, yeah.
It is a skill game, and I got deeper into the study. And if you really develop the skill, you can actually compete at the highest levels professionally all over the world.
Which you have,
Yeah.
and let me tell my audience the one thing that, oh, she's a poker player, she's not just any poker player. She's also the only woman who from India who's won like a major championship. She's also won a bracelet,
Yeah.
and that is no small deal. When you start playing poker professionally, because you come from a humble background and your parents are very education driven,
Yeah.
was that a shock for your folks, and was it easy?
Initially, it wasn't. They thought, okay, it's
Shock
just
pure
a,
kare.
yeah. So
हाँ.
it's a passing phase. Even I thought it's a passing phase, to be honest. I never pursued it as a career, but it kept happening. And then when I won the world championship,
Yeah.
then I'm like, okay, maybe I'm just meant for this.
Maybe
and
I'm
this
good
is-
at it.
Yeah.
Maybe this is professional calling.
Yeah. And our companies would come give me deals that you can't refuse. Like, we'll pay you to travel the world and play poker. I said, how can I say no to this?
And you've consistently had to walk into rooms, because let's also remember that poker is a very male sport. And sadly so, because
Yeah.
it's not, I just feel like women do not know that, वो एक और बात है पोकर के साथ या किसी भी ऐसे लक बेस्ड गेम्स के साथ, कि आपको लगता है कि ये जो गेम है ये अच्छे घर की लड़कियां नहीं खेलती. I don't know why there is this perception around it. What I do know is, being a अच्छे घर की लड़की, I don't have the acumen for it, unfortunately,
Yeah.
because there is lots
mean-
of study involved, and it's almost like तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है ये गेम खेलने के लिए, right?
Exactly. So they say poker takes a minute to learn and a lifetime to master. So you can study it for the rest of your life and still not be
Wow.
the best at it. And I really dedicate, like I said, when I put my mind to something, I get it done. So I just approached it with that same mindset. And I think one of the biggest rushes in my life is to prove everyone wrong. Like, that is something that motivates you. I think you relate to that. You're a fierce, independent
yes,
woman.
Yes, I am. Yeah.
So my favorite is when people underestimate me, go to male-dominated rooms. No, a woman can't do it. I'll show you how a woman can do it.
Yeah, ये मेरी बहुत बड़ी weakness है. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. ये मेरा part-time hobby है.
Yeah, and like you asked what my parents' reaction was. So obviously in the beginning, not just my parents, even people around me, when they asked me, what do you do? I said, I'm a poker player. Like, you're a poker player? What does that even mean? And then over time, because I was consistent in my performance, in my results, and you can't be consistent in something that's a game of chance. Like, it has
Correct,
to be
correct.
something that can be developed, right? When I was consistent, and magazines are talking about me, newspapers, I'm in Vogue, Cosmo, here, everywhere. And then it went from being, and then the age of social media came, right? Where people are influencers or comedians, and suddenly there's acceptance to do unconventional things.
Absolutely.
So people went from, oh, ये poker खेलती है, तो wow, ये
ये
poker
poker
खेलती
खेलती
है.
है. क्या बात है.
So it was
But
a
it's
big
but
shift.
that's what I want to say, that there are two sorts of fame here, right? One is the fame that you already had as a poker player. I remember reading an article about you in 2020. I think you just won the championship then.
Yeah, no, 2018. It's been a while.
18 में जीती थी, but I read the article in 2020. I
Okay,
remember
wow.
because it was a time when the pandemic had hit, and at that time, somebody I knew was playing poker professionally, and then he had sent me saying that look at how big this is. And I remember reading about you at that time, and I remember
Wow.
you were the only girl on that list who had won a championship.
Wow.
And so there was, so fame से मतलब परे नहीं है दीदी, ऐसे नहीं है कि पहली बार कैमरा के सामने आई हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ये ट्रेटर्स का फेम जो है वो इस पोकर प्लेयर के फेम से बहुत अलग है.
Yeah.
है कि नहीं है ये तुम मुझे बताओगे. और इस फेम, हाउ इज दिस फेज नाउ, लाइक इज इट ओवरवेलमिंग?
Actually, I'm enjoying it for sure. The audience is completely different. It's a mass audience. And actually, as a person, I don't think I appeal too much. I mean, in the sense, I don't want to say I don't appeal to, let's just say that I am not the kind of person who will create controversy or drama or pick fights just for the sake of it, because it's not my background. So I went to do what I know best.
Yeah, yeah.
Play strategy.
Yeah.
And my strategy throughout the game was to make sure that I am proven as an innocent, because first they were all suspecting me
Yeah.
to be a traitor because
Yes.
I'd be a strong traitor as a poker player because I know how to bluff. So my entire mission over there was to convince everyone, manipulate them with my words. And manipulate is too much a strong word, but that's basically you have to
Convince, yeah.
convince
Yeah.
them with my words that I am an innocent and that I should never be suspected or doubted. And I think I was successful
You were,
in that to
of
get
course.
to the finale.
I remember when you said कि मुझे ट्रेटर नहीं बनना है. ये एक बहुत ही अनकन्वेंशनल चॉइस होता,
Yeah.
बिकॉज अगर आप ट्रेटर चूज करती तो क्या होता, आप बच जाती, यू नो, यू वुड बी सेफ फॉर योरसेल्फ. बट दैट चॉइस रियली मेड मी नोटिस यू, एंड आई सेड आई वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस गर्ल. व्हाई वुड शी से नो? टेक अस थ्रू दैट डिसीजन.
Like I said, my entire mission was to convince everyone that I'm an innocent.
Yeah.
Firstly, I can only do that as an innocent. I felt that I'm an easy target because I had just come back to the game. I had no alliances. I had no vote bank. So if I'm brought up in the circle of shock, nobody is going to side with me or defend me or fight or not vote for me. They have no
Reason
to.
Absolutely.
And I hadn't formed those alliances. Anyway, people were wary of me. She's a poker player. Everybody relates to each other. Nobody really relates to me. So for me, the stronger move was to decline and to make sure that I live, further into the
Longer.
game, survive longer, and maybe not for say Urfi, it might not be, because Urfi had the alliances, right?
Yes,
She
yes.
had the vote bank, so for her, she should have taken the traitor invite. So that's what I'm saying. So I'm different from what the mass audience expects, because they expect that she'll take the traitor role, she'll be in the limelight, she'll be conducting the show. But I went to play the game to win, not to get limelight or famous, because
I think that's the biggest difference, you know.
Yeah,
But
because-
I feel like that was also what was refreshing for me with Urfi's approach. She was also playing to win. And I really enjoyed that about her, because I saw a different side of Urfi Javed also on the show,
Yeah.
which I didn't expect, because I expected her to play badly, you know. And I'll be honest with you, because we have seen so much of Urfi on Paps and on like regular social media, that you don't expect that sort of emotional intelligence, because you've already made up your mind about people. I also feel that there has been a crazy backlash, that there's been an unacceptance of the fact that two of you has won. Okay, not so much for you, because I feel कि यार तुम्हें बख्श दिया है, लेकिन उर्फी को लेकर people are not, like, people have been very harsh about the fact that she won. What have you made of this? Like, has it reached you yet?
I mean, there are people who are seeding this narrative.
Yeah, yeah.
There are, people who are making sure that this narrative is heard by everyone else, and maybe some of the bitter contestants that are seeding this narrative. A lot of them are on pages that, you can...
You can tell.
Yeah, you can tell that these are people who are doing it, as an intentional thing, because a lot of people are very happy that Urfi and I won. A lot of people were following the journey. Although I understand that my character wasn't very closely followed at all in the show,
Yeah.
because I'm from outside the industry, and they're
Maybe
not
that's
going
why.
to they have to condense 16 hours into 1 hour. They are going to basically choose the people who bring the audience, who bring the
Bring the drama,
eyeballs.
babe. Yeah,
Yeah,
of course.
so for me, it was my first ever time, and the fact that I was on it is already a big deal. So the audience wasn't able to follow, but so there are people who are supporting as well. And that's the fun about reality shows. You know what you're signing up for. There are always going to be people who support you and people who are going to
Don't
hate
support you.
So
No,
basically,
fair
that's
enough,
it.
fair enough. Is there something that you want to tell your audience today that was very important in your journey, but unfortunately because यार as she just said 16 घंटों का दिन जो है वो 1 घंटे में compress हो जाता है. What is
Yeah.
it that you wish that your audience saw about you?
I really wish that the audience saw me thinking through my decisions, like why I declined the Traitors invite. It wasn't really explained, but I had explained it,
Yeah.
but they didn't put a lot of it. Because I didn't have the vote bank, and also, like, as you can see, the traitors are plotting to throw me under the bus.
Yeah,
They're making
yeah.
me a scapegoat.
Yeah.
So it turned out to be the right decision. And also why I withheld the information to tell everyone. So my thought process is not communicated. The main thing that is not communicated is that I knew Purav is a traitor since day 6. And it's nowhere.
Oh my
They have not
God.
put it in episode 6. They have not put it in episode 7, 8, 9. मैंने कहा चलो finale में डालेंगे.
हाँ यार, पर
Finale
नहीं
में
डाला.
भी मेरा शक्ल और शक का interrogation पूरा वाला they've cut it out.
Yes.
So while the show was not scripted, the editing is heavily scripted.
It's not scripted, but it's edited. Yeah.
It's
fair enough.
edited to favor certain narratives and
Correct.
given archetypes. वो personalities assign करी भी हैं लोगों को. And for me, it didn't come through that
Fair enough.
I was on it, and so I feel like fair enough, whatever the call was, but the editing was entirely scripted to make people, throw
heroes.
people, make people heroes and throw people off the game. Like there's this concept that I learned about called red herrings. I
Yeah.
don't know if basically it's
course.
like you don't expect anything to happen with this character, but they go and win, or they go and basically something major happens with them that you don't expect, and that surprise element
Yeah.
gets people to talk a lot more.
Yeah,
about
because you are the red herring.
it. Exactly.
I hope you know that. Like,
Yeah,
she
yeah.
is the red herring. I'm just going to go through some of my really fun questions and ask you, what is more intense, poker or the traitors?
Oh, definitely poker.
Oh,
Traitors
okay.
is like no. Traitors is just like a social experiment. It's fun. Like not some of them weren't the smartest people.
Fair.
They were just there for the entertainment factor. Poker is you are competing against the sharpest minds who have trained to beat you at a world class level, and they've been training for decades to come after you and prove you wrong. So definitely poker. Yeah.
A reality show you'd never do.
I don't think I'll do any of them, to be honest. Like, look at them.
What?
They're so
I'm sorry to say the biggest rumor right now is that she's in Big Boss.
Oh, really? No.
No idea.
No. I
Oh
didn't
my
know.
God!
Is
No,
that-
damn it! This is the big. We thought we'll get the news on the show.
I get all my rumors
From me?
from you. Yeah.
Okay.
You'll be mine.
Which innocent do you think still holds a grudge?
Oh, that's a clickbaity answer you're getting out of me. I think all of them. all of them. ये बाहर से आ गई है, हमारा टाइटल लेके चली गई
Oh,
है.
you're saying to you? No, I'm saying generally. कौन सा innocent है जिसको यार बहुत बुरा लगा कि वो out हो गए?
Sufi.
Sufi, right?
Yeah. He was shattered. He cried so much.
Pavam.
He felt really bad. I felt bad for him also.
What was the one thing about these famous people that you noticed and said, यार मैं जितनी भी famous हो जाऊँ मैं ये नहीं करूँगी?
Yeah, I can't be abusing and talking down to people, especially people who are elder to you. All of that, I can't do it. Yeah.
What wins more in life, truth or betrayal?
100% truth. I'm an innocent.
Yes.
Always.
One player, according to you, and obviously we're not, being mean or anything, just on basis of strategy, should never be allowed in a house like this again. क्योंकि उनकी strategy बहुत खराब थी.
Janvi ji.
Janvi ji, I agree with you. Janvi ji, yaar.
Oh God.
Let's get to know you a little more and ask you Bollywood. Do you like Bollywood, and who's your Bollywood crush? If you like growing up, like who was the one actor you had a crush on?
Growing up, Amir Khan.
Oh my God,
I
really?
had a huge crush on him.
So
yeah.
cute. Wow. And if you met him?
I'll date him.
Oh, so cute, so cute.
If he will. I have me.
So everybody knows you're a strategist and all of these things. But if we had to ask you who is Nikita Luthar in one word, outside of the games and what you do, okay, who is she really? Like, if there's one word, is she innocent?
Definitely. I think I'll describe myself as authentic. Because I'm very true to who I am. I don't try to put on anything.
Yeah.
Like what I say is exactly how
What
I
you get.
feel. Yeah.
Absolutely. There was a point on the show at the end when, and Urfi said, you can keep the money.
Yeah.
Urfi Javed, don't say these things if you don't mean it. Because now I'm going to ask Nikita Luthar, did you keep all the money?
No, she just basically said it because she had that journey on Big Boss where she was eliminated first.
Yeah. She was
So
very
for
emotional.
her, the title meant everything. She's
Yeah.
like, again, proving everyone wrong.
Yeah.
So she came to do that and she got it. She's like, मेरे को पैसों से कोई मतलब नहीं है, मेरे को बस title चाहिए, like that. But
Yeah.
it wasn't
Yeah.
because of me.
But you should
मैंने
have
उसको
told
नहीं बोला
her.
था मेरे को सारे
तूने एक
पैसे
बार
दे
भी
दो.
मजाक में नहीं बोला उसे दे मुझे सारे पैसे किधर है?
No. I play poker. Yeah. I make two.
She's like, I make two. That's another rumor about you, that your net worth is being discussed on the
Where have they got it? What is going on in Bollywood? How can they speculate my net worth? कौन बता रहा है ये सब तुम लोगों को?
41 करोड़ 41 करोड़ का net worth है
No.
क्या है फिर?
I don't know my net. वो मेरे लिए नहीं बोला था, मेरे लिए 7 करोड़ बोला था खाली.
बहुत कम है.
I know.
7 करोड़ is too less, guys. I am looking at her and I'm thinking about 41 करोड़. That's crazy. That's crazy. Has Bollywood already offered you a movie?
No.
No, I'm
No.
shocked. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
No
What have the
movie.
offers been like? Have there been any offers?
I mean, no, there haven't been. I mean,
What? Nonsense, guys. You're a big losers. We are big fans. Please make this happen
How
soon.
sweet. Yeah. I mean, there are some, I don't want to talk about them.
NDA,
Yeah,
of
let's
course.
see. I'm talking to some
But
people.
if you get a chance, would you be an actor in a film?
I will firstly need to learn how to act. So, it's
So honest.
Yeah,
I love
yeah.
her. There's
It's a
nobody who's given me this answer till today. Even though it's the right answer. This is the right...
See, I said I'm authentic.
Nepo बच्चे, ये सीखो ये. Okay, great.
Yeah, firstly I will have to learn, but I would love to play like if I would like to play a role of a woman in substance, not like a rom-com or some damsel in distress.
ऐसे
or
क्यों लग रहा है
something
मुझे
like
कि निकिता लूथर की जिंदगी में मोहब्बत के लिए कोई वक्त नहीं है. True or false, निकिता लूथर?
that. Too close to the truth. Yeah. I mean, I've been just too focused. Like I said, we had really dark times as a family and continue to have actually. So it's just been like too focused on trying to just, preserve whatever sanity I have, to be honest.
Poor men must be
Yeah.
trying so hard. मतलब तुम्हारे, I have a feeling that men have begged this woman, but she has not given any attention. Is that right?
Well,
How do you think she has good skin? It's by saying two letters, which is N-O.
yeah.
The more you practice it, say no, the
Yeah.
glow comes more and more. That's amazing.
Men are just a drain of energy, honestly.
Nice.
Yeah,
I agree
yeah.
with you.
You do?
Yeah, I agree
Okay.
with you. They
Sorry.
just need too much coaching all the time. Unpaid labor, I'm not willing to do.
I couldn't have put it better.
Yeah, it's
Unpaid
true though.
labor.
It's all
That's what
unpaid
it is.
labor. Oh man, it's exhausting. What happens next? Are you enjoying the fact that you're able to meet people and talk? Because I feel poker is a very solo player game. Okay, but this profession, which is this,
Yeah.
meeting new people, new energies every day. Are you enjoying this? And do you want to do
Actually,
any
I
of this?
am. See what happens. The difference between very interesting nuance. Poker made a lot of people come. A lot of spoiled people, family business or something like that. It attracts that kind of a clientele. But in this space, everybody is self-made, and everybody has done something from scratch. Nobody has, unless you're Nepo. I
Of
don't know.
course,
But
of
even
course.
they are struggling. Even they are building from scratch.
Absolutely.
Actually, That was-
मेहनत बहुत है.
I retract that statement because everybody is fighting for that chance. Sure, you have a little more connection. So, coming on this show, I really realize what substance there is in these people. क्या आग है, you know, it was so inspiring. Like I met such amazing people like Raftar, Purav, even
Yeah,
Lakshmi, Urfi, like I can name it. And they've all like gone hard in their lives to build themselves, and the
So
kind
true.
of trials, tribulations, setbacks, they've risen above it. They've not cried about it even one day. I mean, they cry and then they dust
They
off
cry,
aside.
but yeah, but it's part of the.
So it's amazing to see that, and
Yeah.
it's very specific to this industry. You have a struggle बहुत है, तो you have to have a lot of fire and passion
Yeah.
to make it.
So you have a lot of respect for people
Yeah,
with
yeah.
entertainment.
Yeah, I do.
And before we go, you have to tell us one word that you would describe your, contestants with. So the first one is Anshula.
Nerd.
Yeah, nah, she's also congratulations, Anshula. We're so happy for
Yeah,
you.
congratulations.
She got engaged, and that was
I
amazing.
think nerd
news.
is a compliment. Like
Nerd
she's
is a compliment.
Yeah, smart girl,
All right, smart girl. Sufi,
flamboyant.
Urfi,
Urfi, real.
Apurva.
Apurva, entertaining.
Are you and Apurva friends?
No, we're not.
Oh no.
I mean, I we were on the show, but
Yeah.
I think I was friends with everybody on the show, but some people accepted me, some didn't. So
Correct,
yeah.
correct. Raftar,
Raftar is all respect. For
Purav,
creative.
hai wo creative.
Yeah.
Did you think he played a good game?
He played an excellent
Excellent
game.
game. Elnaz.
Except for when he recruited me. I don't know if he should have done that. No, you know what he one second.
Yes.
What I
know.
thought
The nerd is
Oh, yeah.
awake. Chal, मुझे बोल.
I think he should have. जब मैंने decline किया invitation और किसी को बताया नहीं next day. Firstly, the only time Traitors broke a sweat was when I made it happen.
Declined it. Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
because उससे Traitors
Yeah,
को
yeah.
उससे पहले और उससे बाद बहुत मजे आए हैं. The only time they were thrown off the game was when I came into the picture.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, guys, you missed that.
That's true though.
Purav should have killed me. Why did he keep me alive? Because
agree.
I hadn't told anyone.
Yeah,
वो निकाल देते और किसी innocent को पता नहीं
पता
होता
भी नहीं
कितने
चलता.
कितने लोग बचे हैं.
In fact, मुझे लगा कि they would kill you.
Yeah, they should
Because I
have.
said, oh shit, she said no. And that's what
They
happens
should have
in
just
war,
killed me the
guys.
next day when I
Yeah.
didn't tell anybody, because keeping me alive meant I had information how many traitors there are, because you can only get in recruitment if there are two
Two
people.
people, yeah. She knows
Then
the rules.
Yeah, I know. थोड़ा है मेरा problem है. मैं बहुत
नहीं, rule के हिसाब से.
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
That's why
amazing.
the audience was like not rooting for me क्योंकि rules बहुत पढ़ती है, drama नहीं करती.
What about Harsh? What is your word?
Harsh made the palace bearable. वहाँ पे पता है बहुत dark environment था. We didn't have our phones.
Everyone told me.
It
सबसे ज्यादा
was-
रोए हैं. मैं ये इंटरव्यू
Yeah,
क्लिप
yeah.
देखिए जहाँ पर सूफी वगैरह रोए हैं.
The problem with captive reality is you can't touch earth and you can't touch grass, because for most of us, touching earth and touching grass
Is for-
revolves around talking to friends or family, right? Outside of the show, we had no communication. So I think that added a layer of pressure on all of us while we were playing that game. I think I was able to handle that pressure to a great extent until we had to do the mission which involved his death march, and that was a very triggering mission for me for very obvious reasons. And
Same.
I'm very I'm very actually thankful that that happened to be my last day, because I would have actually been spiraling if I had to continue on to the next episodes after that, because that was you don't want to constantly keep reliving the worst day of your life in your head, and I did not want to constantly keep reliving the death of my mom in my head again and again and again. You can do it for a few hours. It's not possible to do it for multiple days.
Actually, yeah, it was a very dark environment, and accusations flying around, Miss Femi, and you know all of that, Galat Femi.
Miss Femi. I love Miss Femi, guys. And Mrs. Femi, of course. And Mr. Femi. I'm losing my mind. Sorry.
Okay, I need
You,
to recover
do you
from
say
that.
do you say it often, Miss Femi, or you said it by mistake here?
I said it by mistake.
Great.
I'm switching between Hindi
But
and
it's a good
Listen,
word.
I've been awake since 5 in the morning to come and meet you.
That's true. She took a flight, okay, landed
Just
and came
to meet
straight to me,
her.
and I'm so grateful.
So, yeah, so Harsh made it better. I'll call him the
The light.
the light. Yeah.
He was the light.
Yeah.
Ashish Vidyarthi, sir, I have so much respect for you because you did the only thing that tired women do, which is take a nap.
He was my favorite. He was my
सोते
absolute
ही रहे.
favorite.
बहुत मजा आया आपको
Like,
देख
he's
के.
a vibe.
मुझे ये भी समझ नहीं आया कि सुधांशु बच के कैसे बच गया एंड तक. It was crazy and I love him obviously because obviously we know him for years.
Yeah.
But I think he was the person who was lucky. because he just matlab, I don't know how he said. What is your one word for him?
He principled. He's very principled. Like, you know, he's very like अपने
He's a good
उसूल
guy.
होंगे.
उसूल
Yeah.
2 वक्त की रोटी नहीं मिली आपको, ना ही आपको
Yeah.
1 करोड़ मिला अपने उसूलों और आदर्शों के साथ.
Yeah.
सुधांशु जी, sorry. Yeah.
I guess in the end, no, Urfi and I had a chat which was not on camera. That we discussed that हमने ना थोड़े एक दूसरे को अपनी trauma bonding कर ली थी. हमने we told each other our stories.
Yeah, both you
Then-
girls, I know. I know.
So we became very bonded in that last episode. I mean, that last day of the mission, and we spoke about how we bonded on our traumas, and then we decided that we are not the traitors, and we are going to trust each other till the end. And then we said, "अच्छा, दो traitor तो है, तो कौन है?" So we said it has to be one of the 3 boys. So our plan was always to eliminate the 3 boys. That is why she went and tried to hear these conversations in order to confirm
Yeah.
what she already knew. But actually, अगर वो होता या नहीं होता,
फिर भी-
हम फिर भी we
फिर भी
had
यही
to
होता.
eliminate all 3.
100%.
Another thing that is not shown is the voting round. Actually, I didn't write Sudhanshu first. I wrote Harsh only. And वो दिखाया ही नहीं वो वाला voting round end में because
Yeah, because I
कुछ नहीं
think
दिखाया.
no, I think cinematically it made sense to get rid of Sudhanshu first, because then it's just 3 of you, and I feel
Yeah.
like that, as somebody who works in the media, I know why they did that, because the finale worked. Because I think the 4 of you and then the 3 of you, it really worked for us.
Yeah.
Because I remember I was a traitor with my own friends. I had watched the finale before we watched it again. Okay, so इससे पहले कि मेरे दोस्त आ गए, मैंने तो देख लिया. क्योंकि मैं
Nice.
मुझसे रहा नहीं गया.
I
Okay,
love
so
it.
I watched it.
It became addictive.
Yeah.
na?
So I had
Yeah.
to know, okay. And then when my friends came home, I had to keep a poker face and I had to watch. And my friends were losing their shit. They were like, I can't believe it. इसको रख लिया, इसको निकाल दिया. And I think that was the fun of the entire game.
Yeah, the reactions.
So I
yeah.
think they did a damn good job. I had such a great time talking to you because I really wanted to talk to you
Thank you
because
so
I didn't
much.
get to hear too much from you in the show.
Yeah.
So
I love chatting with you. It's like talking to a friend.
Thank
Yeah,
you so much.
She has
Thank you
that
for
energy.
coming. Yes, and thank you for coming
so
all the
much.
way. I really appreciate it. And I hope that whatever you choose to do, I hope it's going to be good for you. Like all
That's
good things.
so
Yeah.
sweet. One moment to another, guys. This
Yeah,
is girl
yeah.
power right there.
That's
Thank
right
you.
there. Thanks so much, Nikita, for coming.
Hi, this is Nikita Luther and I'm with Ro Talks on Just to Film Me. Guys, please subscribe करो, मेरे को पीछे से बोले जा रहे हैं.